Hello, friends. Welcome to our YouTube channel. This is our first lecture of Power Query, in which we will learn data cleaning and formatting, as we have basic Excel data with different situation, which includes name with different case letters. This data also includes duplicate data as well. It also includes blank rows in the data. This data also includes sales amount with different format. We have date column as well. And last, we have region column as well, which includes different case letters. This is all different scenarios we will consider, and we need to do data cleaning and formatting. To perform Power Query Lecture 1, first we need to select whole data. And we need to convert data into table by using Control and T button. Then we need to go on Data tab for Power Query. Now we need to click on From Table Range option. You can see here another window will appear. Now we use here Power Query function for data cleaning. First, we start with our full name column. As we have different case letters and we need to change it. So we need to click on Transform tab. Now, select required case letters. In this way, we can convert name as per case letters. Similarly, we will convert region column data as well. Now, we move to our sales column data. We need to change formatting to whole numbers. You can also convert into decimal numbers as well. This requires confirmation to change existing format. In this way, we can convert numbers formatting. Now, we have date column, and we want to change as per our requirement. In this data, we need only date without time. We have different type of selection, so we select only date option. Now, we have duplicate data in Excel. And we only need unique data or need to remove duplicate data. So we first select Dataset. And in the Home tab, we need to select Remove Duplicate option. Now, click on Remove Rows option. Now, click on Remove Duplicate Cells Row option. In this data, we have blank row as well. So we need to click on Remove Blank Rows. In this way, we got data without blank rows. We can check our steps on the right side. As we have changed data from raw into formatted 1, if we want to go one step before our action, we need to cancel task. In this way, we can track our steps and perform accordingly. Now, we again perform task, and you can see it will save our action. Again, we will perform Remove Blank Rows. After completing our task, we need to click on Close and Load option. It will convert whole performed data into Excel sheet. This is how we got the data with data cleaning and formatting. Now, you can make its alignment as per your requirement. In this way, we have completed first lecture of Power Query. If you face any issue, please write in our comment section. We will learn Power Query Lecture 2 in the next video.